Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to introduce the fascinating world of AI. So my AI journey is started uh, quite long ago, but I used to get to interact a lot of people who are fascinating towards AI. They wanted to learn AI. So I said, like, okay, I'm gonna make a YouTube video for you where you can start learn AI news, what happening in the AI space with industry top leaders who are actually building the AI. So all he needs to do is like to come to DeepLearning.AI. So all he needs to do it like go and type DeepLearning.AI in your browser or in Google or in ChatGPT, wherever you want, and log into your email account, and you're gonna see this page here, and it's gonna generate a spark in your life, right? So the AI is gonna changing everyone's life, right? It's shaping up into the new different ways into day-to-day life. It's changing from either you call those Asians, if you generate those music, every day you see some innovation in AI. All you needs to come to here. You can get those latest news, courses, events, and insights from Andrew, who is the founder of Deep Learning AI and other AI leaders. All you needs to come here, log in, give your email ID, and subscribe it. And I'm making these videos for those who wanted to learn AI, and I try to make it more simple so that you can start using this. And this is for those who don't know that. So I log in, I saw the new course here, which is like building code agents with Hugging Face small agents, right? So the moment which I come here, all I need to be enrolled for a free, right? So I can have those free sessions. And not only that, I might have the brief history, right? What is the agents? And then I have the source code execution, right? What does it mean? So they spin up those collab notebooks to you, and all it needs to be go there and type and execute it. So before you go and generate those collab notebooks and executing there, here you can come and execute it, understand the fundamental concepts of that, and then you can practice there. And once you complete the course, you might get the certificates where you can post into the LinkedIn, wherever the places, right? And it has the community to go and do it. So if you look at here, so we have session, right? How to create a deep search agent here. And all I need to do is like how to go here, understand the course content, and then a pre-built Jupyter notebook is already been there. So if you go here, and I've seen like the lesson number 5, I have a deep building a deep research like agent. All I need to go access the requirement.txt file. The file has been there, right? And I have to download this file, right? And I can start running to it. So let's start, right? So they import the small agents, they import the Tavli client agents, and then they load those variables and they do a web search query with the help of the agent and give those APIs, and it's going to fetch the web page content, whatever the URL which I have given here. So all I need to do is like I need to click here. I can run this. So it's going to execute the real environment. You can save, right? and you can insert your own cell to practice it, and you can cut those cells, and you can do those keypad, you can use the kernel cell, right? It's gonna be a real time, so all you need, no need to worry too much. So it went and fetched those URL which we have provided, and it generated the output to me, right? And all I need to go here and set up the agent, right? I import that image with the code agent with open AI server models. I've given GPT-4 1 mini, right? So it's run, and if I go here and I run, could you give me a sorted list of top three museums in the world 2021 along with the visitor count in millions, right? It's a huge kind of a data. It went there, it sorted out that question, it started executing the web query, it fetched those web query details to me, it goes to all the museums, and it executed the log files to me, and you can see how many web pages it's been visited, how many count it's gonna get to me. So if I go back here, it's from a Rome, Beijing, Paris, where the top museums are being there, and it executed the code as well. So the output comes finally the museum, right? And in Paris, the visitor is 8 to 8.7 million, right? And it comes with me the temperature as well here. So you can modify this data frame. You can start it playing it. It's give me the decent way. Whatever this things comes to me, it's right down and showing in a decent way. And you can create a multi-agent search as well. So what is multi-agent search is going to be like, it's one agent which is going to be there, but how the workers are working. Similarly, we have the agents is a new workers for us, where it's not only we assign the task and make the workers to be focused like agents wise, but we need someone to be validated. That's nothing but the setting up the manager agent. So manager agent is someone who goes and give the task to the agent to perform in certain manner, and then we're gonna validate it that the work, right? So we will visualize how authorized those kind of like information is provided to the manager agent, and then how it's gonna be executed, the output. So, and then could you give me sort of list of the top three ones? It actually gathered this all this information to us, and then the manager asked me to come up with a kind of a, like a layout to me show me the data. So it's showing me the data uh, in executed state. So multi-agent is how you orchestrate your agents and validate within them, and how the handshakes are happening towards it. So it's going to be there, it's visualized to me, and I can look at that British Vatican museums, right? So it's provide me the kind of like historical museums that people are actually visiting with the help of the data set. Not only that, so you can go through and try to specialize various courses. You can explore the courses which start from short specialized courses for beginners to Python engineers, and they have popular topics, and they have been collaborating to all those AI leading companies. So you can subscribe to the newsletter, blogs, research, the communities form resources, and you can type interacting with this. So I recommend to the developer peoples to come and try this, develop deep learning AI to join the fascinating journey of the AI. And I request you guys to make sure subscribe my button, and right now so that you can have all bell notification in my upcoming sessions. And I'm happy to take your comments in my comment box to improve the most of the things. And thanks for joining me. And let's explore the depths of AI. Thank you, guys.